Welcome back to Solution Junkie. Today I'll show you how to find trending topics on YouTube. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe and check other videos for more tutorials. So let's start by opening the Google Chrome and then type Google Trends in the search bar. Tap on Google Trends, then click on the three dots at the top right and select Desktop Site. Choose your country. Example, I am in the Philippines, so I'll choose Philippines. Then scroll down and select Trending Searches. You'll see several trending topics. This method helps you discover what's hot on YouTube. And there you go, an easy way to find trending topics on YouTube. This has been Solution Junkie. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay updated on our latest uploads. If you have any questions or video recommendation, leave them down below.